it Jackie Chan.
So basically, I apologize for the shaky video, but my stabilizer right now is dead. And another thing, I also just woke up, so my voice sounds a little hoarse and kind of raspy. I feel like I'm getting sick too. But we're gonna get this install done. We're gonna crank this one out. It should take a little bit. I've only done tint a few times, so we'll see how it goes. Hope you guys all enjoy the video. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can always get notified when I post. If this video really helped you out and you really enjoy it, thumbs up. Anyways, let's hop into the video. This tint kit here was actually a gift from my father. Happy birthday, kid. Big shout out to Pops. It's actually his birthday today, June 1st. Wish my man a happy birthday. So basically, this is what it comes from American Muscle. So they give you some instructions. They give you the squeegee right there. And basically, this is what it is. So these are your headlights. I've already opened this and looked at it. So these are your headlights. Boom. And basically here is everything else. I'm not 100% sure what a lot of this is for. Obviously these are the taillights. Clearly those are the taillights. Just kind of walk around the car and find this out here because I don't think I have this many lights for some reason. Okay, so this long thin one is probably going to be that one up there. These two look like if I had the premium car for the up here. They normally put a turn signal in this. If you have a premium, I don't have a premium, so it's not. I don't have that there. These two are going to be the side markers. You can see them right there. Those are the side markers. And then the ones to the right, the two longer ones, are gonna go down here for my reflectors. This big chunky one is gonna be my reverse light. This guy right here, that'll be my reverse light. These two are the turn signals. So before, this is the top one up there, so fog lights. Anyways, let's start doing this here. So you're gonna need this. I took basically just an old glass cleaner bottle, emptied it out, put some dish soap in there. You can shake it up if you want, whatever. Do the turn signal here. Attempt to do the turn signal. I don't know if it's really gonna actually work, but I'll try it. We'll try it. You have to really feed it up there. So I'm not gonna be able to actually use this correctly, but I still want to use it. We're just gonna snip some off right there. Tuck this up under. Some tools here. Get all this extra water out here. Got one done. We'll just repeat on the other side. Moving on to the most important ones here. The headlights. So divots on top. So this one is the right one. We'll just start with the right one. You can probably do it without popping the hood, but I just went ahead and popped the hood. You could probably do it without popping the hood, but there's solution on here. Solution. You can spray a little bit more of the solution. It doesn't really want to follow these curves, so I feel like this is going to be a pretty tricky part here. Pretty tricky. Make sure this is where you want it. Up off the headlights would be great. Start trying to take some water out. Okay, so there you go. So there's a headlight. So we'll step back. I don't know if you can. Headlight, other headlight, black headlight, light headlight. Okay, you get the idea. So we're gonna repeat on the other side, and then we're gonna hop to the side markers. Just make sure it's nice and clean before you start doing anything to it. You're gonna see there's letters up here that are gonna show also. So just keep that in mind. Maybe. Let's take this off one more time. This one's being a pain for some reason. Regular water over top. We'll do this one down here, like so. All the water out. Okay. Hey guys, so here is lit up before and after. The left side is obviously not tinted. Right side is tinted. So you get an idea. Final finished look for you guys. Headlights here. My smoke turn signals, and these turn signals are already smoked, so they look a lot more dark than they probably would be if you didn't have smoke turn signals. You can see the difference. So basically what I did here is I didn't go all the way back. There's really no need to get this little spot, and this is a marker, and there would have been no way to actually get that on there. So Just kind of went with that look. Fog lights, didn't do the fog light. The back marker, did the back tail lights. There's a couple spots that could have turned out a little bit better. There's some bubbles up here, like right there you see some. Film really wasn't that easy to work with, but nonetheless, I mean, it still looks good and actually changes the back end a lot. I like that a lot. So you can see that. So they gave you the choice if you wanted to do this up here. I didn't do my third brake light. They also give you the choice to do these back here, but as you can see, my car is normally pretty dirty because of my catless downpipes. So I mean, it stays pretty dark as it is anyway. So that's really the only red things on my car. The kit also gives you, if you're one of those guys or gals out there with a premium Mustang, there's a turn signal that's gonna be right in here, and it also gives you that. Convertible guys, there's also one. It comes with the kit, fills up this back area back here. So you can kind of see the full look of it. Like I said, this is in direct sunlight, so it looks pretty mean. There's the back end again. That's it for the video. I hope you guys all enjoy. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you haven't already, hit the bell for those notifications so you can always get notified when I post. Hit the thumbs up if you really enjoyed, and as always, peace out.